Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, the Skyline comes back to the HQ. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, the Skyline should be back today. It's getting towed here on the back of the truck, so we just need to wait until that comes and then I'll get into the nitty gritty details of what's going on. Alrighty, while I'm waiting for the car to show up, I've got some drawers to paint for the baby room. Oh, hey guys. Alrighty guys, just had a phone call from a tow truck guy. He's got another job before mine, so it'll probably be about an hour away. So I did get the first coat done on these drawers. Yep, cool. Thanks. Alrighty guys, so it is back. And obviously it's not repaired. Let's sit in the car. Alrighty, so my insurance company would not fix my car. And I did bring it up in the last episode, maybe why they might not fix it. Because of this on both sides. The warranty wouldn't cover it if they went over it because it's previously been repaired by somebody else, and obviously it wasn't me. And that was actually the next thing I was going to get onto with the guards. So yeah, they're going to pay me out how much it would have cost to fix the rest of it. So to fix the panel, new light, new bumper, and a wheel alignment, I think it was. So stay tuned guys, we're going to have a rebuild coming up. No, I'm just going to be doing all the work. Might end up painting the whole car. What do you guys think? Should I paint the whole car? This would all be one colour. So yeah, obviously you saw just then that sort of flat battery as well. So it seems that it's the battery in both my cars that are gone. So I have to go shopping for a battery, won't I? I might turn this around so it's facing out. So when I do want to start it, I can jump start it. Flat battery. Alright guys, so I'll fix the boot and the back here as well. Just seen previously, this is off the other one. So what I'll do is I'll fill that in on this bumper, so I know it's to the correct thickness. We'll pop it out a bit and fill it. Then I might get my other bumper on, because damage there, damage there, damage there, damage there, damage there. Yeah, so it's going to be a bit of work done. If you're keen on what I'm going to be doing, hit that subscribe button guys, notification bell, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.